Yeah, it's just gonna be a quick little video on a car I got today. So let's get started. I got the John Deere Ertl slash Tommy car. It's uh it's the Ford F-350 service truck. Very cool looking truck. Love this thing. We went to the Washington State Fair in Puyallup today. And of course, they have all the different companies out there, and John Deere is one of them. So I went ahead and got this Ford F-350 service truck. Very cool looking. From John Deere. Love this truck. And here's and of course they have the little catalog. Catalog made by Tommy and Ertl of all the different John Deere toys and all that stuff. And all those Ertl toys you could find at John Deere stores or even Tractor Supply during Christmas time. I know Tractor Supply usually has this kind of stuff during Christmas. So they got some really cool stuff. And that's it right there. Utility truck. They have a plain version too, but they didn't have that one. There. But still, very cool looking truck. Made by Ertl and Tommy. All the John Deere toys. And that's what I got today, and thanks for watching. And oh yeah, and if you're wondering why I'm wearing a Husky shirt and a Huskies hat, the Huskies are playing North Dakota right now, and we're leading 17-0. Go Dogs. Thanks for watching, guys.